You're gross. Did you go poop? What did it sound like? Is that what it sounded like when you went poop? Oh, you stink. Time to change your diaper.